Barack Obama by Nhin, illustrated by Yuliia Zolotova. Hi, I'm Barack Obama. I was born in Hawaii to an integral couple. My mom was an American woman with a European heritage, and my father was a black man from Kenya. My parents divorced when I was 3 years old, and my father moved away for a time. I lived with my mother in Indonesia, but I eventually came back to Hawaii to live with my grandmother. I went to a private school where I was one of the only few students who were black. This could have been a very lonely experience, but the culture there was respectful, and there were students of many cultural heritages. The cultural diversity allowed me to gain in a great variety of experiences and to become very proud of my mixed race heritage. It also taught me to see and listen to my experiences of others and gave me a strong belief in equality. The core value drove me to dedicate my life's work to standing up for all people. Only 1.2% of the student body was black, so I did experience some racial transitions. I struggled those years to understand my musical heritage. The future rewards those who press on. I don't have time to feel sorry for myself. I don't have time to complain. I'm going to press on. I worked hard at school, and I was offered a full scholarship to Northwestern University School of Law, but I really wanted to go to Harvard Law School. This was where I enrolled. I was elected the first black president of the Harvard Law Review. This led to my first book deal in when I wrote Dreams from My Father. Soon after, I accepted a position to teach at the University of Chicago Law School. During this time, I enjoyed supporting disadvantaged communities by ensuring that people knew that they could have their say by using their vote. Change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we've been waiting for. We are the change that we seek. My next adventure was working as a lawyer to stand up for people's civil rights. I felt hopeful I could make a difference. This soon led me to become a politician. In 1996, I ran for office and I was successful, elected state senator of Aloud. It was a great accomplishment and I was very happy, but I wasn't done. I soon announced I would be running for president. It was a tough race, but I won, and I became the first black president of the United States of America. I hope that next generation of the leaders will continue to support people from all different backgrounds like I have, and I hope that I have inspired people around the world to be kind and stand up for each other, no matter what our differences may be. If you're walking down the right path and you're willing to keep walking, eventually you'll make progress. Timeline: 1991, Barack graduates magna cum laude from Harvard's Law School. 1992, Barack marries Michelle Robinson. 1996, Barack becomes a U.S. Senator. 2005, Barack is awarded the NAACP Chairman's Award. 2008, Barack wins U.S. presidential election. 2009, Barack wins the Nobel Peace Prize. 2013, Barack begins the second term as President of the U.S. 2017, Barack receives the John F. Kennedy Profile in Courage Award.